Hello everyone, have a great day again, and this is Miss Anne again, and be with me. Let's make this beautiful red recycle storage box using rope and empty box of biscuit. As you can see, I already put something inside. That is hair clips, which is also made by me. I also have a video of these clips, how I made it. So be with me. So I started to wrap the box from the bottom using the roof and stick glue and glue to stick our roof. So as you can see, I started to attach their roof and start to twist it slowly by putting the glue. So it takes a lot of time for making this small empty box. So be now I already done wrapping the bottom side of my box. So as you can see, I'm using the white rope. Now I started to wrap the sides of my box. So I swapped my color into red. So now I finished up to wrap the sides of my box, and let's proceed to wrap the cover. So on the cover, I plan to mix color on it, which is red and white. As you can see, I already finished up to wrap the cover of my box. So there is a little bit design of the roof, and I also put a handle on it so that it is easy for us to open up if we need to open or we need to put something inside our box. So I also put some compartment inside. So here it is, our finished product. Now can we stored something inside? And it's already done, so it looked like it needed a little bit flower or something, some more design on it. So I think to put this white roof, which is I don't know how to call it. I tie it up and open and stick it in there so that there is a little bit design on it, not so like when you look at it it's so sad. So that's good enough. So let's make more ribbon. It look like ribbon or flower. I don't know. I think I need to make more. Hooray! And now I already done my storage box using recycled materials. So we don't need to throw something. If we have a boxes, we can make something on it and use it in our daily life. So here it is. Thank you all for watching. Until my next video, whether I going to paint or make more crafting using recycled materials. Thank you all again. Till my next video.